Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. How you all doing today? Today I'm here with my lovely son and myself. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ege. If you have been watching my videos, I say thank you. But today I completely have something different for you to watch. So I know that a lot of us these days, our kids do a lot of fun stuff, but I'm off today. I said let me just spend time with my little boy. He's my little baby, so he's gonna be demonstrating to you guys what he does best. And I'm not gonna be showing his face because he said he don't want to show his face, so but he's gonna be showing his work, what he does best. So Icon, what do you want to say to them? Okay, he just waved to you guys. So what do you want to say?
Today I'm going to be making a candy cane and a marshmallow in a fire.
Okay, that's cool. So you ready? You got all your all your
I
stuff?
got all my work.
Okay, get started.
So now I need to outline it. There we go. I've made the candy cane. Now you can just turn it to the other side so I can. Yeah. I'm actually really good at making marshmallows in fireplaces, so I think you guys will like this one. Now I'm going to make the log-looking part.
You are so fast. It looks good.
And now I'm going to make the cute-looking eyes. Everyone knows the eyes that have a big dot of white and then the little dot of white. Those are the cutest kind of eyes.
Wow, I never knew about that.
Covering the eyes might take a while, so you guys might want to fast forward. And that's the end. It's like you guys thought about it. After I make the marshmallow's face, I'm going to do some more drawings. I'm going to make the same kind of face but smaller.
How do you feel?
I did it wrong.
How do you feel whenever you are drawing?
Confident.
You feel confident?
Mm-hmm.
I love that. Who taught you that?
I just feel confident in myself.
Wow. Just feel confident in yourself. And how old are you?
6.
6 years old?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. This is cool.
Why does the other one look like it's brown? Let me change that look. It says
I prefer you manage the space you have there.
Guys,
Just do with what you have here. Because you want people to be...
Guys, I thought I was done with this video, but never mind. I forgot. I have a bunch of colors here, so... What do you do with colors? You draw and paint.
Awesome. Keep drawing.
So, first I'm going to use orange for the fire of the... You know... This might take a while too, so you should fast forward on this one too.
That's a bright color. What color is that?
Orange.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Count with me and do some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give me a clap and say goodbye. Done with the orange. Now I'm going to the yellow. This isn't yellow, this is neon.
That's yellow.
No, guys, leave a comment if you know that this is neon. This is not yellow. N for neon. Everyone leave a comment with an N for neon. I don't want to mess up on the tongue, so I'm just going to go past that. After I draw on the tongue, I'm going to go back to neon.
I thought you just said the other one is neon, not what do you call it?
Hello? Tongues aren't pink. Actually, they are. What am I saying to myself? Just keep that back there. Now we can go back to painting the neon. And once I get to the end, I'll paint red.
Who taught you how to draw? Sir, who taught you how to draw?
My brain.
Your brain taught you how to draw. Please, say something better. Who taught you how to draw?
I watch videos.
You watch videos? Okay. What kind of videos do you watch? Do you watch good videos that you learn something good from? What kind of videos do you normally watch?
I'm actually going to give him some texture to his eyes. So what I'm going to do is put some orange under his eyes.
Okay. Can you tell me why you're putting orange? Can you explain why?
It's like texture to his eye.
Okay.
It's like the inside is like your pupil thing.
Okay. Unfortunately, nobody can see how you are demonstrating it through your eyes. Okay. Okay. I see. Now I got you. Got you. It's coming out good. We are out here in the garage, spending some time in the garage. So if you see flies in the video, do not mind, because we are out here in the garage doing what Icon does best.
And I'm going to use the green for the grass. I totally forgot to make the moon. I'll do that next.
Do that next.
Yeah, I'll do the moon next. Because this is camping.
Camping.
Uh-huh.
Is that what you told them you were gonna draw?
Yeah, I'm doing...
Are we almost through? Almost?
I didn't tell them this is... Yeah, I'm almost done.
Okay.
All I need to do next is the moon and then the can.
Yeah, that would be in another video, okay?
Yeah,
I
because
think we are good with this.
Yeah, let me just finish the grass. And
Okay, then we're good. Because this is really good. I love it. It's looking colorful. And at the same time, I'm just learning how to draw too. From this precious boy. What an amazing job. I'm really impressed, son. I am impressed. This is very impressive.
Now the last thing I'll need to do is the moon.
I think
In
we'll
the
do
next
that.
video, I'll do the rest.
Okay. So we are gonna do the moon in the next video, right? The next video?
No, I'm doing the moon now.
Oh, it won't take time, right?
In the next video, I'll do the marshmallow and the cake.
Okay. Got you.
The last thing is the moon.
We're not seeing it. The moon. Can you use this space? The middle space? Okay, now better.
I'm going to make it look like the moon's sleeping. I'm going to give him a sleeping hat. And that's the end of my video. I hope you guys watched this. I'm terribly sorry that we didn't have to do everything. I'll do it all in the next video.
Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy.
And leave a bunch.
Icon. Please
And
like
if
this
you
video.
leave 100 likes, I will make 100 videos.
Wow, please grant his request. Yeah, this is our channel. Please keep watching. Love you all. Bye.